In this video, we're going to look at analyzing structure with linear inequalities. So we have a bag that has more yellow balls than red balls, and there's at least one red ball. So we're not looking at 0. Let R represent the number of red balls, and let Y represent the number of yellow balls. So it says, let's compare the expression 2R and Y plus R. So we have to understand what the R and the Y stand for. So it says up at the top, a bag has more yellow balls. There are more yellow than there are red. So if we have 2R, that's really like saying R plus R. So that's red plus red. And then we're comparing that with Y plus R. So if we have two sets of red added together, we have to look and see, is that more or less than if we added yellow with red? And we said that yellow has more. So if we're adding yellow and red together, that has to be bigger than just plain old red. So our comparison is 2R to Y plus R. And we said the Y was bigger, so 2R is going to be less than Y plus R. And since the yellow has more, they can't be equal. In this problem, we have a classroom that has more girls than boys, and it has 10 boys. Furthermore, each student in the classroom has at least 3 pencils. Let G represent the number of girls, and let P represent the total number of pencils in the classroom. So let's kind of take a look at what we have. We have girls are greater than boys, and the boys are 10, so we know the girls have to be bigger than 10. And if we thought about pencils, pencils would be equal to 3 times the number of girls and boys together. And if we look at the boys being 10 and the girls being greater, what if we just had 10 girls and 10 boys? So that would be 10 plus 10 is 20. And then 20 times 3 is 60. So if the boys and girls were equal, we would have 60, but we know that the girls are greater. So let's say that was 11. So we had 11 girls and 10 boys. That would be 21 times 3 would be 63. So the number of pencils related to 61. If we have more girls than boys, then we have to have more than 60, at least 63. So this has to be greater than 61.